All right, so our kitchen kit in here should have just about everything you need to prepare and consume food. So just run through it real quick. We've got plates, bowls, we've got a strainer, we've got cups, we've got coffee mugs that are pretty awesome if I do say so myself. We've got a French press. Quick note, French press doesn't go on an open flame. You boil water and you put water into the French press with the coffee grounds, blah, blah, blah. Don't put this on an open flame. We've got pots and pans. We've got silverware. We've got cutting boards, spatula. We've got our lighter here, can opener, salt and pepper, some rags. Very important, koozies. These are complimentary. You can keep these. You know what they're for. And then very important is this Adventure Rig Rentals handmade by John Sanford kitchen knife, cooking knife. It can skin a buck and kill a cougar. So protect your loved ones and mince garlic. Just make sure you clean this off, put it back in the sheath. Be careful with it. It is extremely sharp. But we wanted to make sure that there was a really good kitchen knife in all of our vans. So there you have it.